They still wash things clean in this second-hand church in Toronto. Not so much souls now, but sheets, blankets, and pillowcases. Gateway Linens is run by the Salvation Army. This is where the homeless work, looking for a way back into society.
I've been clean and sober for almost 3 years. I had a slight relapse recently, so I'm doubling up on my recovery, and I'm still part of the team here, which I'm very, very grateful.
With 5 homeless shelters in Toronto, the Salvation Army has a big laundry bill. 10 years ago, they figured they could do the washing themselves. So this is what they opened: a commercial laundry operation that doubles as a job training site. Almost all the staff are living in shelters, and most of them have lousy resumes.
Because so many of our individuals are also, still dealing with, various stages of addictions, that is something that can sadly flare up many times. And while we stand beside them and be there to support them, that's an important part of who we are. Nevertheless, it does create certain operational challenges from time to time.
Having patience pays off. 60% of Gateway Linens graduates are now working elsewhere or in school. They aren't homeless anymore. They aren't getting welfare.
The challenges of life, I'm not afraid of them as much as I was before. What I'm learning here, what I learned, to accept those challenges and not to freak out and not to run away from and not to be afraid of.
Workers at Gateway Linens don't clean up financially, but they get a nest egg. They earn a few $100s a week, but it's kept in trust by the Salvation Army. It has to be used for something important, like paying off legal fines, renting an apartment, or getting an education.
I took a course for forklift training. Could not do that without the program here. That's for sure. Because when I came here, I had no money. I had nothing.
The Salvation Army took a risk that by doing their own dirty laundry, they could find lasting solutions for some people who were living on the streets. It hasn't been easy, but it works. With more than a dozen clients, Gateway Linens is self-supporting. It doesn't take any government money or cash from the Salvation Army. And for years, it has offered a clean slate to guys like Jean.
Every sheet that I fold goes to somebody who really needs it. Instead of sleeping under a bridge or in the lobby, they sleep in a clean sheet. Might mean not much for many people, but for the homeless, for the people who are in desperate needs, believe me, it can be a game changer. It's a life-changing experience.